Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to this video. And so guys, we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Andres. It became a tropical storm earlier today, and so with it being formed, we have it being the earliest named storm, and initially that record was held by Adrian that formed also on the 9th of May, but later in the day. So Andres developed into a tropical storm 12 hours earlier than Adrian did back in 2017. And so guys, for that reason, Andres is considered the earliest named storm in the Eastern Pacific Basin. And so guys, before I go into details with it, okay guys, and so right now, as you're seeing on satellite view, the system is not looking the very best right now, but we do have a lot of convection going off to the east, but over the west it's not looking so well, and that's because of some wind shear in that region. That is really the reason that we don't have the system strengthening much. And so going to the National Hurricane Center's cone forecast for Andres, we're seeing here that it has maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, and it is moving to the northwest at 6 miles per hour. And so we're expecting it to start weakening by maybe tonight and throughout most of this week, as the remnants will make their way across the Eastern Pacific. And so guys, we're expecting it to become post-tropical by sometime on Tuesday. We're looking at it by midday, and it's going to be accelerating westward at that time, further into that shear. And so as I speak about that, let's go to the wind shear map for that region. So there we have Andres, and then we have the shear that is really dominating the northwestern side of that system. And so with that wind shear, which plays a very huge role in any tropical cyclone strengthening, it is going to be preventing this system from going any further than it is now, guys. So it's really at peak intensity right now. We're not anticipating any more strengthening from this tropical system here. And so in terms of the ocean temperatures, they're quite favorable, but of course the shear is that main inhibiting factor. And as the system makes its way more to the north and northwest, we're going to be expecting that the cooler ocean temperatures will also help it to gradually dissipate, guys. So fortunately, Andres is not a threat to land, and it's just going to be lingering out there. But the main key point of it is that it's the earliest named storm in the Eastern Pacific. Also, it is a preseason storm because the hurricane season for the Eastern Pacific begins this Saturday on the 15th of May, guys. And so guys, that is really it for this update. And if you found it to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weatherwise, and of course I will keep giving you the necessary updates as time goes by.